Hey guys!
And welcome to another Disneyland Paris video.
Yeah, and today we're in Santa Fe.
Hotel Santa Fe.
Hotel Santa Fe. Finally! You guys asked for it.
A lot.
A lot.
You guys asked, why haven't you stayed in Santa Fe yet? What is wrong with that hotel?
Now, well, there's nothing wrong with that hotel, and we stayed here several times, but that was before we did our YouTube thing. And yeah, somehow never came around to stay here again, so...
Yeah, absolutely. And now we can show you guys what it's like to stay here. In this video we're going to give you tips and tricks about Hotel Santa Fe in Disneyland Paris. And we're also going to show you what the room is like and what you can expect when you're staying here.
We are able to compare it with Hotel Cheyenne because it's in the same price range. So, well, join us!
Shall you? Yeah.
So when you are in between of the main buildings, there's this canopy, and below the canopy is a map of the whole resort. The resort is divided into 4 sections. We got rattlesnake, salmon, roadrunner and bison. So this is the main building. We are here at this point. That's the main street. Well, Route 66.
Yes, Route 66, because this resort is themed after the Pixar movie Cars. All the hotel rooms are divided over separate buildings. This means that you cannot stay in the main building of this hotel. Is that a deal breaker? Not really, because there are some benefits to it.
Throughout the resort there are lots of parking spots. Each building has its own parking lot, so you don't have to carry your luggage that far. So when you arrive, park the car outside of the resort, go to the reception, check in, get your room number, and then take your car with your luggage to the parking lot closest to your building.
And this is a bit different from Hotel Cheyenne, because there you also have to park your car near the reception when you go to the resort, but the parking lots are not that close to the room. So most of the time you have to park your car quite far away from your room and then walk, quite far as well to get to your room and to get your luggage into the room. So this is actually very convenient, and that is a big plus comparing to Hotel Cheyenne.
Convenient parking. That's awesome, but we haven't even showed you the most important thing yet, the hotel room. Some buildings have 2 or 3 floors, but our building only had the ground floor. The room does not seem to be any different from the other Disney hotels. In the hallway we immediately see the bathroom on the right, and further on in the room there is a piece of furniture with a TV, and on the right side you see 2 double beds. There is a retro-style chair in the corner of the room, and above the bed we see the famous cones from the movie, and there is a painting on the wall where Meander is in a deep sleep. The covers of the bed also show the famous Cars characters. In the bathroom we discover some more Route 66 influences. For example, the mirror and the lamps above the sink. And in the shower gel and shampoo, because that has got Lightning McQueen on it. So far, so good. We will tell you how we slept and what we thought about the room at the end of this video. But how do you get to the Disneyland parks from this hotel?
What you can do to get to the parks is take the shuttle bus that leaves over here. That's also the parking for the shuttle bus to the airport or a taxi service. Or you can go to the Disney parks walking. You go out here, follow the river, and you will be ending up near Lake Disney and Disney Village. And most of the times it's quicker to walk to the parks than to take the shuttle bus.
Good morning, everybody!
Good night's sleep. Now it's time for breakfast.
Yes, and it's very convenient here because there is a Starbucks in the main building.
And we're close to the main building, so
let's go!
Fine weather, not as windy, not as windy as yesterday.
No, it's much better today. Well, here's the main building, and this is where the Starbucks is. You can enter the Starbucks from the inside, but also from the outside. And then you have to walk that way. Then you can enter it from the outside. But we are going through the main building.
Yeah, past reception. Oh, and security.
And security, yeah. One of the fun things about Hotel Santa Fe is that there's a character meet and greet in the early morning. So if you are going for your breakfast or you are just arriving, you will meet a character. And today it's Pluto, but yesterday it was Mickey. So, what did you got, Sven?
I've got the pancakes with maple syrup. Well, syrup with maple flavor.
Yeah. It's your regular, right?
For Starbucks, it's my regular to go to.
No croissants, Sven.
Pancake time.
With Sven. So I have a coffee. We had buffet yesterday. I'm still full of this buffet, so.
That's breakfast.
But there is more to be found in the main building. There is a restaurant, which is used as a breakfast buffet, and where you can enjoy a hot meal in the evening. The breakfast for adults costs 21 euros and it's 14 euros for children. The buffet in the evening is Tex-Mex style, so you can expect bean dishes, tacos and burritos. Adults pay $31.99 and for children it's $17.99. We have not tried the buffet. Did you? Would you recommend this buffet? Let us know in the comment section of this video. Next to the restaurant you will find a bar where you can enjoy cocktails and other alcoholic or non-alcoholic drinks. But you can also enjoy a snack here, because you can order tapas and other small dishes at the bar. Very convenient. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. So after a few nights of staying here in the Santa Fe Hotel, there are a few things that are quite surprising, to say the least. So we wanted to share those details with you that makes you think, I don't really understand why. Let's start with this window. So we have a corner room, as you can see. And what is really weird about this room is that the curtain is stuck at this point. So it is impossible, and also this curtain is stuck, as you can see. So it's impossible to close it entirely. So there's always a gap right over there. So you might think, well, if you close these curtains, they will block the view, but no, it's not the case. You can see if I close the curtains entirely, there's this gap, which means that if we are lying in the bed, people can see us lying in the bed, or at least it's a bit uncomfortable to sleep like this. Fortunately, I came prepared. Well, I didn't know, but I brought this clip over here, which is a lifesaver, because I can attach both curtains to each other and problem solved. But still, it's strange. Why? It is really weird. Next thing that is a bit odd is the heating. We are used that there is an air conditioning most of the time at this spot. There's the buttons and everything, and over there would be the actual air conditioning, but there isn't an air conditioning, so we are relying on this piece of machinery. But if you look at all the buttons over here, the icons on the heater are very confusing, because the little man that is leaving the house is actually the setting that you need to have in order to make this heater work, in combination with the sunshine, which probably means we're bringing warmth to your room. And then you can also set the temperature. But to figure this out took quite a long time, and there wasn't any instruction at all in the room. We never had this problem in Hotel Cheyenne. They have an air conditioning in the room.
Most of them. We also had one of these fans.
Yeah.
So in summertime you're supposed to use the fan, the ceiling fan, to get a bit of a breeze.
Yeah, I'm not sure now about the air conditioning in Hotel Cheyenne. Maybe there isn't an air.
We had rooms with air conditioning, and I also remember that we had a room with a ventilator.
Yeah, that's true.
ceiling fan, and that's operated over here.
Oh, that's the ceiling fan, yeah. Another thing that we would like to mention is that the shower is amazing. There's a lot of pressure and it's hot within no time, so we can highly recommend taking a shower because it's really, really good. Our experience is that many rooms have a different layout.
Yeah, mirrored, or maybe even a little bit bigger ones.
Yeah.
And
so it could be that we again got a bad room or something. But this is something that we found a bit strange about this particular room. As you can see, this is the countertop. But underneath the countertop is the heater for the bathroom.
Yeah.
And this is stone, or at least sort of kind of stone.
Polystone something.
Polystone, yeah. Which makes it completely hot. So this side is really, really warm. And what happened was we put our toiletries on this side, and Sven has got some wax for his hair and everything. That was completely melted. This might be true, and yes, there were some inconveniences. But you will forget about all these things very fast, especially when the night falls. This resort looks amazing when it's dark, with all the lights on the rooftops, and it's a pleasure to walk from the Disneyland parks to your own room. The final verdict, our final thoughts about Hotel Santa Fe. Well, all in all, we think that it's a pretty good deal for a budget hotel here in Disneyland Paris.
Yeah, absolutely. Comfortable rooms. If it's not too warm or too cold because of their air conditioning. And
because of the lack of the air conditioning.
Lack of air conditioning in the summer and the heating system in the winter. But yeah, the atmosphere is good. It's relaxed. I think it's how they turned it into a Cars theme worked out pretty good.
Editing Elise here. I didn't explain this in the video, but the resort used to be a Southern American themed, and it was called Santa Fe at that time as well, so they didn't change the name, but they did change the theming. So that's why we have all these beautiful Cars figures on the roofs and on the bedding and everything. So it used to be a Southern West American style, the Pueblo architecture. I just looked it up on Wikipedia, so that's why I know. Now let's go back to the video.
Absolutely.
On the inside of the rooms as well of the rest of the resort, with the asphalt pavements meandering through the resort.
And what's also very convenient is of course the Starbucks in the neighborhood and the restaurant and everything. That is absolutely a big plus. On the other hand, you can sense that this is a Disney budget hotel.
The rooms are clean. And that's the most important thing.
But we liked staying here. We didn't think it was a long walk to the park. We thought it was a good distance to the park.
Yeah.
Not different from Cheyenne at all.
No difference.
No. So, but would we stay here more often?
Well, the price difference between Santa Fe and Cheyenne is that small that I think we would prefer Cheyenne.
Yes, I think so too. We like Cheyenne because, I don't know, it's more like the town feel that I like. I don't know how to, yeah, it's difficult. Why do I like Cheyenne more than this one? It's
more memories?
Maybe.
More memories with Cheyenne?
That doesn't mean that Santa Fe is a bad hotel or anything. We love this too, and if it's just like that this will be cheaper or Cheyenne will be full, we'll be happy to book this hotel as well.
Absolutely.
Well guys, we hope that this will help you out when you are making your choices of a hotel here in Disneyland Paris. We hope that you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media.
Yeah, that's Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah, well, and with that being said, maybe next time we'll
see you in Main Street. Bye! You're still here? Come on guys, it's over. Go home. Take the long road home. Or
life is a highway.
Life is a highway. Live it. But Video is over. Go home. Yeah?